Good morning investors, welcome to the 6th of June 2014 market review. As you can see, the share to look at for today is called FirstRand or FSR. Last trade price was R39.65. The objective here is to trade the share from a high to a low, we call it a short. Entry level 39.57, target 38.17, and your stop loss could be R40.27. As you can see here, the blue line, that's the target entry to trade it downwards, and this green line here will be 38.17, blue line will be 39.57, and the stop loss level will be R40.27. As you can see, current and closed positions, the current open positions is still Investec, Standard Bank, Vodacom, Remgro, and African Rainbow Minerals. For the one in the reds are playing from highs to lows. ARI going to play from a low to a high. These are all closed positions at this moment. Nedbank, the Tafishini Group, and Shoprite are closed. Looking at this is the top 40 shares. Green line is support, red line is resistance. Look at the blue line, that's the index price. Still moving up and strongly at this moment. Remember yesterday the European Central Bank announced it was going to cut rates, and that sparked a bit of a jump in gold prices as well yesterday. They're just trying to protect the economy. Let's go to the Dow Jones. Here's the Dow Jones. They were first day, they were on a price of 1673 on Wednesday evening. They actually closed 98 points higher. There's the 16716 level. They're actually sitting at 16836. They're much higher on this chart here. Still trading above the green line. That's the 21 days. Still going up in this channel between the green and the red line. J200. That's the top 40 shares. As you can see, still moving upwards. Testing previous highs. We could most probably see new record highs being broken. Need to track it closely. Still trading above this green line here, that's the 21 days, and you can actually see how it's actually confirming it with the bottom trend line as well. Let's go to the Shoprite. Now Shoprite is still going in a downward channel, testing this 161.13, sitting at 167.9. Didn't move a lot downwards yesterday, still in a bit of a downward channel at this moment. Missed the price, broke new highs yesterday, still in the new upward channel. Share is getting very high at this moment. Let's see where the markets could take it in the short term. Looking at Woolies, that was what I was scared of. As we explained yesterday, look at this bottom. Came down, tested the support, and now it's breaking up. Share is currently trading at 74.50. At any time, if it breaks to 75.25, it could go back to the levels, previous high levels of 77.74, 77.75. So look at this closely as well in the short term. Let's go to the banking sectors. Let's see how they reacted on the European Central Bank meeting. Look at Barclays Bank, jumped up, tested new highs, or busy testing new highs again. Came close to 23.6% of 152.52, and currently trading at 158, broken up, testing the previous highs. Let's see what it will do. Let's go and look at Capitec. How they reacted. Still in the downward channel, starting to pick a bit up here, trading at the 219 levels. Still the lows on the table could be 216.51, but the downward cycle is still there in the short term. FirstRand still above the green line, that's positive. On the 21-day moving averages, sitting at close to 39.70. Any time if it breaks the green line, next low could be 38.82. Let's go and look at Standard Bank. Looking at Standard Bank, I'm just going to call up a Fibonacci here and just see how this one is faring at this moment. And you can basically see trading on the 21-day moving average. Previous highs were 144, 145. Currently trading at 144. Let's see where this one could actually go further on. But there's a bit of support here that I'm actually picking up here, and there's the support basically. I'm going to put this on a week chart as well. and there's confirmed on the week chart bottom here. So the current trading range is about 142, 145, 142, 145. We need to see if it's going to do a similar thing like Mr. Price, breaking upwards through this 145 levels as well. MTN is still positive upwards here. No selling signals yet. It is over too high in price. Could come a bit down and move higher. Let's track it for the short term. It's very high at this moment, trading here at 227.50 levels. Let's keep it short term eye on this one as well for any selling that could happen very soon. Vodacom testing this short-term black support level here at the moment here. Also testing the 89-day moving average, telling me in a confirmation low high, low high, low high. This is a bit of a cycle. Cycle could get smaller, but let's see where it will take us. Current trading range between 127 to 132 at the short term as well. I spoke about the Barloworld yesterday, and as you can see on Barloworld, still in the downward channel, testing this purple line of 200-day moving average. Current trading range about 99 Rand to almost here to 105 Rand at this moment. Nice trading range, but look at this. Low high, low high, lower high point, lower point, higher point, lower point. So at any time it breaks this 100 basis and the 100 Rand level, next support is 99. If it breaks it, definitely you can see downward side back to 88 bucks or Rand. So, but also important at any time if it goes low, high, low, this could be a double bottom picking up. If it breaks this high here of about 103 Rand, next high is about 106, then 110 in the short term as well. CFR. CFR, oh, look at this one. There's a bit of an upward channel starting to come down, a bit of pressure of selling pressure happening here. At any time if it breaks this 109 Rand, you could actually see it coming back to most probably 105, then 103, and then 100 Rand. Currently trading at 110.30. So let's keep a close eye on this 109 Rand in the short term. Anytime if we get a selling signal there, look at this blue Bollinger Band here. Just want to call up the moving averages here. Just want to extend it quickly here, just to get a bit of idea. 21.89, 200. Yep, it's confirmed. Green line, 21 days, is basically on the 109 Rand level. Anytime if this share breaks this 109 Rand level, you could go downside to 105, 103 levels, and back to just here to the 99 Rand levels. Let's see what happens with the market at 8:30 when it opens. Enjoy your trading.